Welcome to the age of agentic AI. For decades, we've seen artificial intelligence as a tool, a brilliant assistant, a powerful calculator, a co-pilot for our digital lives. But what if I told you that we're standing at the threshold of something far more profound? A new era where AI doesn't just respond to our commands, but thinks, plans, and acts autonomously in the world. Welcome to the age of agentic AI, where artificial intelligence becomes truly autonomous. Imagine waking up to find that your AI assistant has not only organized your day, but has independently negotiated a better rate for your insurance, scheduled that medical appointment you've been putting off, and even started the preliminary research for a project you mentioned in passing weeks ago. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality that agentic AI is bringing to our doorstep. The leap from passive AI to agentic AI represents one of the most significant paradigm shifts in the history of computing. It's the difference between a sophisticated calculator and a thinking partner, between a tool that waits for instructions and an entity that can pursue goals independently. Consider the complexity of what we're witnessing. Traditional AI systems, no matter how sophisticated, operate within the boundaries of direct human input. You ask, they answer. You command, they execute. But agentic AI systems, they operate with what we might call intentionality. They can form plans, execute complex sequences of actions, adapt to unexpected situations, and pursue long-term objectives without constant human oversight. Take AutoGPT, one of the pioneering examples of agentic behavior. Given a high-level goal like research and write a comprehensive market analysis, it doesn't just provide a static response. Instead, it breaks down the task, searches the web, analyzes data, synthesizes findings, and produces a detailed report, all through a chain of autonomous decisions and actions. But AutoGPT is just the beginning. We're now seeing the emergence of AI agents that can navigate complex software environments, manage entire workflows, and even collaborate with other AI systems. These agents are learning to use tools, interface with APIs, and operate in the messy, unstructured world of real-world tasks. The business implications are staggering. Imagine AI agents that can handle customer service inquiries from start to finish, not just answering questions, but actually resolving problems, processing refunds, and even escalating complex issues to human specialists when appropriate. Or consider AI agents in healthcare that can monitor patients, analyze symptoms, coordinate with medical databases, and even schedule follow-up appointments, all while maintaining the highest standards of care and privacy. In software development, we're seeing AI agents that can write code, debug programs, test solutions, and even deploy applications. These systems are not just automating routine tasks. They're taking on creative, problem-solving roles that require genuine intelligence and adaptability. But perhaps most exciting is what's happening in scientific research. AI agents are beginning to conduct experiments, analyze results, form hypotheses, and even design follow-up studies. They're becoming research partners in the truest sense, accelerating the pace of discovery in fields from drug development to materials science. The technology enabling this revolution is remarkably sophisticated. Modern agentic AI systems combine large language models with planning algorithms, tool usage capabilities, and memory systems. They can maintain context over extended interactions, learn from their experiences, and even reflect on their own performance to improve over time. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we stand on the brink of this agentic AI revolution, we must grapple with profound questions about control, accountability, and the future of human agency itself. What happens when AI systems can act independently in the world? How do we ensure they remain aligned with human values and interests? How do we maintain meaningful human control over systems that are designed to operate autonomously? These are not distant theoretical concerns. As agentic AI systems become more capable and more widely deployed, these questions become urgent practical challenges that will shape the future of our relationship with artificial intelligence. The dawn of agentic AI represents more than just a technological advancement. It's a fundamental shift in the nature of intelligence itself. For the first time in history, we're creating systems that don't just process information or follow instructions, but that can truly think, plan, and act in the world. We are not merely spectators to this transformation, we are its architects. The code we write, the regulations we design, and the ethical boundaries we establish today will determine whether this new era of autonomous systems leads to a more prosperous, equitable world or to a future we did not intend. The age of agents is not just coming, it is here, and the responsibility for what it becomes is ours.